Hey guys, and welcome back to Scotty Knows. Today's going to be a little bit different of a video. I do have a lot of work coming on the Hondas here very soon. I kind of wanted to give you guys a sneak peek, kind of an update video of the Honda garage. So I'm doing a lot of work. I have a lot more work to do today. I'm trying to get that done here in the next couple of days. That way I can get everything cleaned up in the shop, bring that other Honda over here, and really start knocking some videos out for that car. That car is going to be an epic build. I think you guys will be real excited to see that. And hopefully I'll be able to teach you guys a little something with that car. However, today's going to be a little different. I do have some tires for my girlfriend's car. I'm actually going to take up to have put on her car. That's one thing I probably need to get eventually is a nice tire, balancer, tire machine. But also too, I have a little surprise. I have a little bit of work I have to do on one of my other Hondas here. I kind of wanted to show you guys what I'm doing with that. So let's hop over there and I'll show you guys what I'm doing with that. So we're outside of my other garage, my shop, and I have me another Honda. So I know you guys have probably seen this in a couple of videos, and I've been working on this. Have a nice little stretch crack here. Actually, half of that was done before I got the bike, so that I'll eventually get to. Maybe I'll tie it up, stitch it up, or do something with that. But the cool thing is that it runs smooth. About a year ago, I actually replaced the entire rear end, all the bearings, all the swing arm bearings. And this thing runs pretty smooth. It's a little squeaky, the suspension, but everything's nice and smooth. A couple things that are wrong with it that I am going to be working on here very soon is one, naturally I got to adjust the handbrake for the rear brakes. When I got it, this wasn't working at all. It is nice and tight. I can actually lock the parking brake on it now, but I want to loosen it up and make it a little bit easier to pull. And definitely a lot easier to put in the parking brake. So my goal was to make sure that was working. I think I accomplished that. So everything does work on that. I do have to charge the battery. I did leave that on one night, so I got to make sure to get that charged up pretty good because I'm going to be doing some ATV riding here soon. But the biggest problem with the bike when I first got it are these wheels. It's probably hard to really see on camera, but they're pretty bent. When you ride this thing, these things they wobble all over the place. So what I did was place an order and got me some new wheels. So they're the DTW A5s, and I kind of want to get those repaired, so I'm going to take these up to the shop with me as well to see if I can get these rims put on today. These are in pretty bad shape. You might be able to see how bent and terrible it is. But I went ahead and I'll show you what these wheels look like. Of course, I got the black ones. The black ones are pretty good. They're not too bad. But I went ahead and went with another set of black wheels for the front just to kind of make everything match a little bit. I thought about the chrome or the aluminum and kind of just fell onto the black one. So let me grab a razor blade. We'll pop these boxes open. I'll show you what they look like. So, got some new wheels, A5s, and I'm matte black. I think they'll look a lot cleaner. Let me see if I get around here. I think they'll look a lot cleaner on here. And hopefully we get rid of that wobble. That thing drives me insane. So I'll take these off here this morning, load up the truck, take them up to the tire place, see if we can get these put on. So just a quick update on those. Alright guys, so we'll sneak over here to the other garage to kind of show you what's happening here in the Honda garage. A lot of work, and definitely a huge mess. So as you can see, we have a tremendous amount of work to do. I do have to paint the walls. I do have 3 of them painted already with the first coat. Might be kind of difficult to see, even up over top of the garage door I got painted. Still have plenty of work to do here on the ceiling. Kind of sucks, I'm not gonna lie. And of course, naturally, I have the tires that I'm going to take with me today with the ATV tires. These are for my girlfriend's Honda, so I'll see if I can get these put on for her today. But a lot of epic things are going to happen in this garage. I'm going to actually bring my other Honda Civic over here, the one you've seen in the previous videos of me building. So if I can bring it over and continue to build here. And hopefully here in the next couple of days, I want to work in here today to see if I can get everything kind of painted, finished, and kind of start organizing some things. Naturally, I'll paint the doors, put up some trim, got some trim for around the windows. Want to paint the other doors, kind of get everything tightened up a little bit. I went ahead and painted one of the shelves, which used to look like this shelf. So there was a lot of tape work. Okay, let's see. Just to kind of make everything kind of match. It's like an apple red paint. As a matter of fact, it's a gloss paint. But it does cover pretty good. Only needs one coat. Just make sure the coat's on there pretty solid and you're good to go. But a lot of epic builds. You know, once I get the other Honda over here, I'll continue to build that and make content for you guys. And of course, naturally, I do have another Honda motor here I'd like to build, which is my single cam VTEC motor, D16Z6. It's a complete motor. I actually pulled it out of the Del Sol. So I do have a motor coming for that being built. But on the Del Sol, it is kind of dirty. I would like to make some more contact with that. I'm currently waiting on my motor to be finished and built so I can actually install it. But the car is 100% ready to go, ready to accept the motor. So here in the next couple of videos, maybe I'll give an update video on the car and just kind of show you guys what's going on with that. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and pull my jack out here somehow. I'm gonna get her car jacked up, take the wheels off. I'm just gonna throw them in the back of the truck, and then I'll put the ATV wheels in there and hopefully I can get all that taken care of today. So let's go on a little journey and let's get some progress done. Let's get back here so I can finish this garage. So got all the tires loaded up. We're gonna take them up to the shop and I'm gonna go get me a haircut, pick up the tires, come back and put them on. So I'll see you guys here in your time, a few minutes. All right, we're back with some tires. So we're gonna go ahead and put these back on the car. So got all the tires on her car. Now it's time to move to the four-wheeler. So got the new rims mounted, tires on the rims, new rims. So we'll go ahead and pop these things on and take it for a drive and see how it runs. And I did charge the battery. I know that was kind of dying a little bit, so may have to get a new one of those eventually, but we'll see how it works. Alright guys, so I got the wheels installed here. Actually got them installed a little while ago, got a little dark on me here. See if I can get a better angle. But matches the back. And we're ready to ride. First coat is on. Minus this little section, but I'll grab that. Honda Garage coming soon. One more coat and I'll clean this mess up. So I appreciate you guys for watching, checking in on the Honda Garage update. Hopefully here very soon I'll have everything done. Once I get it all cleaned up, I'll bring the Civic over here and create more content on that. I know some of you guys have been asking about that, and I really want to hop on that to get that going. Still have yet to start the motor, so stay tuned for that. And hopefully you guys like what you see. Please leave your comments below. Please like, subscribe, support your boy here at Scotty Knows, and I'll check you guys next time. Peace.